There is no way I can practice my speaking because I have no one to practice with. This must be the most common phrase I hear my students say anytime we speak about speaking. If that sounds like you, keep watching because today I want to share with you a game-changing way that will help you practice your speaking even when you are on your own. What if I told you that you need no one to practice your speaking except for your mobile phone? Hi, I'm Mónica. I'm an EOI teacher from the south of Spain, and today I want to share with you a very powerful tool that will help you practice your speaking even when you have no one to practice with. It's accessible, it's convenient, and it's free, and it's called Chat GPT. Think of Chat GPT as a 24/7 partner that will help you simulate real conversations, practice for speaking exams, and even help you, get a job practicing job interviews. The best of ChatGPT is that it can also give you feedback, it can highlight possible mistakes, and suggest possible alternatives whenever you speak into the chat. Imagine practicing with ChatGPT 15 minutes a day. Very soon you will notice that your self-confidence will grow, that your fluency will just become better, and that you will need absolutely no one to practice and face your upcoming exams. Let's get down to business. First, all you need to do is, of course, download the app on your phone. Go to the application store on your phone and just simply type ChatGPT. Now, what I want to show you is a real conversation that I can have with my phone, with the ChatGPT, to help me practice my English every day. Simply, I want the chat to give me information, to ask me questions, and then we can have a real-life conversation so that every day I can practice my English, become more confident, and see that my fluency becomes better. Okay, let's give it a go. Oh, and by the way, if you watch the video right until the end, I'm going to share with you a very, very good surprise that will help you practice your English with ChatGPT. So keep on watching. Okay, so here I am ready with my tablet to put into practice everything I explained to you about ChatGPT. Remember that you can download the app on your phone, but also on your tablet if you prefer. I'm using my phone right now to record this video. That's why I'm changing devices, okay? So I have downloaded the app already on my phone. I have registered with an email address, and then I have the interface, and all I have to do is go to the bottom and find a little icon with a microphone, but that's not the one I want. I want the one next to it, which is like a little wave, look like a radio wave kind of icon. So I'm gonna press that icon and I'm gonna talk to the chat. So let me explain to the chat what I want from it. By the way, for me, it's easier, and I always recommend that whenever you give instructions to the chat, you do it in your mother tongue. So I'm gonna talk to the chat in Spanish first, and then when I finish explaining everything, I'm gonna say, let's do this conversation in English. Why do I do that? Because I think that it's always easier for us to express ourselves in our mother tongue, as long as at the end I explain and I mention that the conversation needs to be in English. Here we go. Hola, mi nombre es Mónica, soy una alumna de inglés de nivel avanzado y necesito a alguien con quien practicar mi inglés porque pronto me examinaré de mis exámenes orales. Necesito que practiques conmigo todos los días una media de 5 a 10 minutos y que me hagas preguntas para que tengamos una conversación natural y amena. ¿Qué te parece? Necesito que la conversación sea en inglés entre los dos.
That sounds like a great plan, Monica. Let's get started whenever you're ready. What would you like to talk about today?
I don't know, maybe we can talk about likes or dislikes that we have, or perhaps what we did throughout the day. I don't mind. I mean, I'm open to your suggestions.
Perfect. Let's start with likes and dislikes. What's something you absolutely love doing in your free time, and what's something you can't stand?
Something I absolutely love is possibly making English videos for my students, although I don't have a lot of time. And I also enjoy reading a lot and walking in nature. And something that I can't stand is perhaps, I don't know, something I can't stand. I cannot think of anything right now. What about you?
That's great. Making videos for your students sounds creative and rewarding. As for me, I love having deep conversations and learning new things every day. Something I can't stand? Probably waiting in long lines. It tests my patience. Have you read any interesting books lately?
Yeah, I am reading right now a book about setting goals and objectives. I'm getting into the mood of the new year coming, so I'm trying to be a little bit more productive.
That's a smart idea. A book like that must be really motivating. Do you already have any goals in mind for the new year? Or are you still figuring them out?
Well, I'm trying to learn more about the system of being more productive and setting better goals. So, yeah, I don't have anything in mind, but I'm sure by the end of December, I will have something planned.
That sounds like a solid plan. Giving yourself time to reflect will definitely help. Do you usually stick to your goals once you set them? Or do you find it challenging to follow through?
I find it very, very challenging to fall through because that's why, the reason why I bought this book because, I might set up an objective or a goal, but then halfway I get sidetracked and then I do something else. Are you good at planning and setting objectives?
I totally get that. It's easy to get sidetracked. I try to plan and set objectives, but I don't always follow through perfectly either. One thing that helps me is breaking big goals into small, manageable steps. Have you thought about trying that approach?
Yeah, that's a nice technique that I love that I try to put into practice. It definitely helps a lot. But anyway, should we talk about anything else?
That's a great strategy. Focusing on priorities is key. Sure, let's switch topics. How about we talk about travel? Is there a place you've always wanted to visit but haven't yet?
Oh my God, yes, travel is a nice topic. Yeah, absolutely. Canada is one of my main destinations that I've always dreamed about, but I haven't managed to visit it yet. So, yeah, it's in my bucket list.
Canada is an amazing choice. The landscapes are breathtaking and it's so diverse. Do you have a specific place in Canada you'd like to visit, like Niagara Falls or maybe Banff National Park?
Well, Niagara Falls obviously is a must, but any of the national parks will fit into my plans absolutely. Anything to do with nature and lakes and water and wooden cabins, all those things are a dream to me. So yeah, I just hope I get to go one day.
That sounds magical. Canada is perfect for that kind of experience. Imagine staying in a cozy wooden cabin by a lake surrounded by forests. Do you think you'd prefer visiting during the summer or in the snowy winter?
I would prefer something in between, like spring, so that it's not that hot or cold. Obviously, a cold winter is, is probably not the best season to visit Canada. But anyway, I need to go now because I'm kind of late for a meeting. But what about if you told me general feedback of, my interaction with you today? It would be very helpful.
Spring sounds perfect. Milder weather with beautiful scenery. As for your feedback, I think you did really well. Your English is clear and expressive, and you maintain good fluency in your answers. You also engage well with the conversation, which is great for practice. The only thing to work on might be a bit more attention to small grammar details, like using follow through instead of fall through. But overall, it was a fantastic conversation. I hope your meeting goes well.
Thank you so much. I'll talk to you tomorrow again and we'll do the same routine, okay?
You're very welcome. I'll be here tomorrow for our routine. Have a great meeting and see you then.
Okay, see you then. Bye. Wow, that was fun. So, oh, bye. That was so much fun. So, as you can see, it's a very simple way that you can practice English every day. Now there is no excuses. And the best of all, it is not only that you can practice every day, no effort with, with technology, but this little technology is giving you feedback. As you heard, it even corrected me, some grammatical problems. So it's so useful even for me. So I cannot wait for you to try it out and let me know what you think about it. Please, please, please let me know in the comment section below. First, if you knew about this chat, but also if you knew that you could use the Chat GPT in this way that I just showed you. And then remember that I left a little surprise for you in the description box below. It is a 30-day challenge that you can use to practice your speaking every day using Chat GPT and a special document that I've created just for you. All you have to do is click on the link, leave all your details, and you will get the challenge straight away into your email. And stay tuned, because in my next video, I want to show you how you can use Chat GPT in order to practice your speaking dialogue exams, okay? So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so right now and activate the notification bell. That's all for today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.